welcome back to my channel. Holy crap, it's 2018. I have box braids. I have shaved my head because it is hot as fuck here in New Zealand. We are in the grips of summer, okay? Just let me tell you, it's so hot. It's so hot. My face, the shine on my face, that is just pure sweat. Okay, I'm not even doing anything. I'm just filming a video and I look like tragic hot mess. Anyway, my weave is looking crazy. Look, my hair is falling out of my box braids. I did these myself, so don't hate, appreciate all the talent. So I'm here today about to do a tutorial for y'all because it's 2018. Yeah. So today's tutorial is about, we're just going to jump straight into it because I hate long intros. So here we go. We're about to do an eyebrow tutorial. I'm going to come up nice and close so you can see. The first thing I will talk about is getting a good eyebrow brush. Now, I brought this eyebrow brush in a... I brought this brush as a part of a set. It was the designer brand's Make Me Up 10-piece brush set in rose gold. Now, included in the pack was a eyebrow pencil pen eyebrow brush. So this is the first eyebrow brush I've really actually owned, and like other than using the ones that come in the packages. I am still on my elf kit. Haven't jumped on the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pomade yet, just because I'm broke. That's why I be doing my eyebrows and I do my own hair. So let's jump into the tutorial. So first things first, first things first, we're going to go in with some translucent powder. Now I saw this trick, I saw this hack, and I was like, okay, this makes a bit of sense to me. I'm going to take my powder brush, and then I'm just going to dust that over the top of my eyebrows, because my eyebrows are pretty sparse. And I'm just going to dust it over the top. So this is going to help the gel product actually stick to my eyebrows a little bit better and last a bit longer. So if you see me looking over here, thanks honey bunny. Oh, you're the best. Thanks. If you see me looking over towards this direction, it's because my mirror's there. So first things first, we're going to brush our brows into place with our spoolie.
What are you doing?
I'm just going to do a tutorial, honey, for YouTube. My niece is here. So if you hear talking and whatnot and carrying on in the background, that's my niece. So I brush it upwards, and that gives me a kind of guideline as to where I should start. I take some product. Look at that. It's nearly all gone, and I need to invest in some new brow products. Brow products? Yeah. So what I like to do is I like to start back here and just sketch me an outline of where I'm going to fill in my brows. So I do underneath first. So I'm just gently drawing a line underneath the brow. And then
How can I get the paint off?
I brush the brow down. Go ask Kasna, honey. And now you can see I can just follow that line there. Just create it, like just follow that. Follow your natural brow shape as to where you're going to outline. You don't need to go too thick unless you feel like you want to go there, but I like to just follow the outline of my natural brow. So there I've created like an outline stencil-y. Yep. Okay. And just using what you've got on your brush, you are going to now concentrate on the tail. So we'll brush that back up into place. So you've got an outline of your brow, and then I start placing my product. So you could do this with either an eyebrow pencil or like a brow pomade, whatever you like really. Fill in the tail because that's where you want most of your product to be, if you've got a thin tail like I do. And then the rest of your brow, you're just going to fill in that space where you've outlined. So through the middle section, just filling that in. And then when we come towards the front, We're just going to really lightly feather in. Feathering the front. So quite a soft touch. You could even just use like a stamping motion to start off with if you're a beginner with brows. But just really softly. You can extend your brow in the front if you wish. It's the school holidays, so my kids are home. Okay, so that's one eyebrow done. Like, that's how quick and easy it is. You can take your brush again and then just brush your hairs into place. And we're done. Like, that brow is just like popping. Like, oh, okay, okay. And then this one is like sad. So we're going to do this one as well. So let's go through that again. So we're going to take some more product on our brush. Again, I will take you through the step. So we've already brushed our translucent powder through. Brushing our brows up into place like so. Then we're going to take our product and we're going to take our pointed end. See, just see my brush? See my brush? Okay. And then we're going to start here. And we're just going to outline. We're going to outline our brows. This brow's always a bitch to do though, because I mean it's like just a bitch. And again, we're going to start brush down so that we know, you know, whereabouts. Get a kind of guideline. And just lightly outline the brow shape that you already naturally have. That way you're not going to look crazy, you know. Whoa, I'm a liar, because look at that. Look at that. I'm a liar, but you know, it takes a lot of practice to try and perfect, but this is just my little tips and tricks, you know. Like, obviously this brow is way easier because it's the princess of the brows. But it's okay. Do not freak out. Don't freak out. It's just eyebrows. It's just makeup. Right? Like, at the end of the day, you can always just wipe it off and start again. Which I think I might do because that eyebrow is just looking like a fucking hot mess. Actually, looks like me in the morning when my kids are just fucking me off. So, you know, if you have cotton tips, which I don't, you can use that to like clean it all up. But here we go, here we go, here we go. We're getting a bit of something somewhere, going somewhere. We're going somewhere. This one wants to go to the ball so desperately. So desperately wants to go to the ball. Okay. It looks okay. Ooh. Okay, so that would be just a quick everyday routine. If you're about to do the rest of your face, you could definitely go in with some concealer, you know, tidy that stuff up, but I don't want to do that right now. I'm just living for makeup-free vibes. Huh? And now I'm going to go in with my Essence Brow Gel Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. Oh. And these have got little tiny fibers in them, so they make your brows look a bit fuller. I'm going to start at the front here, and then just brush our brows up into place. It's going to give them a much fuller, hopefully, fuller effect, like fuller look. And I like to work it in the tail of this section of the eyebrow because this brow is just it's a fucking train wreck. Like, oh, don't follow this tutorial if you want an eyebrow that looks fucked up like this. What is even happening right now? I don't even know. I don't know, but actually, you know what? I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna go the extra step, the extra mile. let's find us a concealer brush. Okay, that's dirty. That's all good though. It's not eyeshadow, so that's good. So I'm just taking a bit of foundation on my brush, on this flat, see, it's flat brush, and we're going to carve out our eyebrows. So using the tip, I'm just going to, it's all kind of like colouring in kind of, it's like, just follow the lines. And so using the foundation kind of erases any kind of mistakes that you've made. So you could just use it on your whole entire life maybe if you're feeling that way inclined. Just erase it all. Okay. By 2017, you were a bitch. No, actually 2017 was a great year for me. I hope everyone else is having a great start to the year. Here we go. So it's starting to take a little bit more shape now that I'm happier with. And that's why it's always good to carve out your brows. So anywhere that I've kind of fucked up, I can just go over the top with my foundation. And just clean it up, pretty much. Just following your brows. A good step, yeah, is to use your foundation because it matches your skin color and it's not going to look too, you know, crazy. Like concealer around it would look, I don't know, it would just look too crazy for me. It's just my personal preference. Okay, yeah, starting to look a bit better. This is looking ratchet, eh? Oh well. But I'm actually quite happy with that. I'm going to take some powder now. It's a little bit of translucent powder. It's your best friend, and I'm going to take it on this fluffy end of my brush. And I'm just going to kind of just set it all around the eyebrow instead. And there we go. Okay. Going to get that mirror? That's alright. Go pick it up, honey.
Okay. I got it. Okay, come on.
And then we have it. Voila! Voila, 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 blah. I think it looks a lot better than before. Yeah, my face is so shiny though.
Mommy, can we have a...
So that is my eyebrow tutorial, and I really hope you enjoyed it. Come back to my channel if you want to see me fuck shit up again on my face, or you enjoy my content. So have a lovely rest of your day and your week, and I will see you back here on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, thumbs up, and all that good stuff. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat if you are that way inclined. Love you all. Blessings, beautiful beings. Bye. Mwah.